Hello everyone. I am making Italian sausages with peppers, onions, and potatoes just in my large braising pan. Recipe that I learned from a friend of mine's mom in California. She was wholehearted Italian. And it's super easy. So I'm just gonna cut up the bell pepper, and you can cut it up into strips or chunks or whatever you like. Just easy peasy. Whack it up. And then some Italian seasoning and olive oil. I'm going to put the lid on it and throw it in a 400-degree oven. And every now and then I'll just toss everything around. So I'm going to start with, sorry about the lighting, I have the worst lighting in here and see the shadows. So I have some spicy Italian sausages. I'm just going to drop those. Okay, wash my hands. Throw my bell peppers in there. Going to chop up my potatoes. I'm just trying to make everything as uniform as possible. Same size. Put it in there. And this is a nice, easy one-pot meal. We've been getting storms, otherwise I'd like to do this on the grill, to be honest, but it is what it is. They said no storms till Saturday night, and they came in last night in the middle of the night. They were so loud. And then the onion. Spread those around. And this is just so easy. And she would just stir it around every now and then. It was so nice, California. I think about it now, and there's so many diverse cultures to learn from if you choose. And there you have it, bell pepper, onion, sausages, potato. I'm going to add some Italian seasoning. And this has some crushed red pepper in there. I'm going to add a drizzle of a really nice olive oil. Salt. Put the lid on it, and then I'm gonna pop it in a 400-degree oven. So in about 30 minutes I will stir it around, and towards the end I'll take the lid off and let the meat and veggies brown up a little if it needs to, And you can always add some more olive oil if you notice it's drying up. Just a little drizzle more of your good olive oil. This is a really nice olive oil. So I will see you all in a bit. So here we go, guys. I am going to take it out of the oven. And if you have some cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes or something, I'd highly recommend putting those in too, but I didn't have any. So there we have it. Going to dish up my husband's plate. Or a red bell pepper, but the tomato, she put tomato in there and I just didn't have any tomato. We ate them all. Got some color on your sausage. Your potatoes, peppers. You can make a nice green salad. See all those juices? So I didn't need to add anything. This has a lot of flavor, believe it or not. It's so simple. So give this one a try. Let me know how you like it, because it is really good, especially with that Italian seasoning. Mine has the crushed red pepper in it. You can add that if you don't have that kind. So yeah, really good. If you have any questions, post them down below. One pan meal, easy peasy. I will see you all in the next video. Take care.